All right, guys, I'm at work today. We're doing some installs. I'm not doing installs. The guys are doing installs. I'm just selling the stuff they installed. But big tractor's behind me. There it is. LS tractor MT347 cab with a snow thrower. We're going to give you a quick look at it. There's a Coyote back there too. Couple big tractors in stock right now. Just no snow throwers in stock for the Coyotes right now. So if somebody comes in, need a snow thrower, they're going with the LS. Great tractor. I got this same thing at home without the cab. So yeah, let's give you a little walk around, show you all about this snow thrower, and hopefully we'll get this video posted before it starts snowing. We'll see, man. It's raining right now, so that's good. So we'll see what happens. So no snow videos, sorry, but we'll at least show you the mechanics of this thing as much as I can. All right, here we go. All right, so this one is an MT347 cab tractor with the LW3174 snow thrower. This is a absolute unit, 74 inches across. So hydraulic lift and lower, hydraulic rotation. This one does have a manual height of throw on it. Turn that knob, pick out how far or shallow you want to pitch your snow as you're working. Nice big throat with an opening here and a guard, just in case. I guess something really big comes through, it'll come off the top. It is what it is. So again, 74 inches, chain drive. I don't think you'll have an easy time beating these up. These are very, very thick. Here's your impeller. This is the one doing the hard work. This is just pulling your snow in. Impeller pitches it up the chute. We were just inspecting these impellers. This is absolutely a heavy-duty machine. So you're really gonna scoop the snow here and throw it. I believe this is a shear bolt. I don't know. We'll have to double check. Looks great. Look at this. So when you take this machine off your tractor, you chain it here or rope it or whatever you're going to do. You can lift it because this thing is very, very, very heavy. Chain drive goes all the way through. Got some lubrication ports back here. This is made by Rad Tech in Canada for LS, so it is specific to this machine. So on this guy, got some oil here that should be 80-90 gear oil, I believe. Check your manual. Pull this pin, yank that guy out. This whole unit drops off the front. As far as we can tell, we were able to mount the loader with the subframe on here without the front end on. So you drop that, pick it up with your loader, move it somewhere. You could leave this on for a little while. It does kind of drag near the ground, so be careful with that. There's some extra mounts you have to install with this. Our guys hadn't done one of these before. It was about 10 hours. They spent a lot of time, but they were doing other jobs in between. Pull this pin to help us drop this this subframe unit. I like that my hydraulics are in here protected. It's your mid PTO shaft. All the way to the mid PTO. So that mid PTO is an extra kit that you have to purchase when you get your snow thrower, and that's the lever right there to engage your mid PTO. So this one will switch you from a rear PTO to a mid. And then one more housekeeping thing here. These skid shoes, really cool. Couple different positions, different heights, and then this guy here is for tensioning tensioning your chain if this guy starts getting some slack in it. So yeah, let's fire this thing up and see how it works.